Hey booze, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is another nail vlog. I'm getting another pedicure, so I'm about to get ready. Do you want to see my outfit? I'm wearing this pretty little thing shirt, and I'm wearing these Target jean shorts, and I'm obsessed with them. But I'm gonna do my makeup really fast, and subscribe to see more of me, and I'll see y'all when I'm done. It's gonna be a really quick, easy makeup look. So, hey booze, so I finally did my makeup. It looks super good. This lighting, my ring light just gives me different colors, but yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah, I did this makeup look. If you want to know how I did this makeup look, go watch my pretending I'm in Vogue. I did the same makeup. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you all my outfit, and I'm in my room. It's really dirty because your girl's in a rush. But and this is like second day curl hair. It's already getting frizzy, but like I just like mess around with it. But yeah, these are my favorite shorts at the moment because they're like so like beachy. I just love them. And then wearing this pretty little thing, black t-shirt, and just, you know, on some jewelry. I have no clue what jewelry to put on. Probably something simple, you know. But yeah, this makeup look was really quick. This is like my go-to makeup look, and I really love it. And it's like so good. So I'm really bending down so y'all can see me, and I have like no clue what nail polish to take. I'm taking one. It's like a pearly color. It's just like very shiny, but I'm like I have no clue what to do this time. Like I'm like I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. So I'm just gonna wear this probably rainbow sheen. If you haven't seen my nails, I got my nails done finally. Girl, yes, your girl got her nails done. I just did this like natural color because I wanted something natural. And then I wanted to wait for the summer to do something like fun and pop of colors, so that's why I went plain Jane. I think I'm gonna wear these pretty little shiny ones. I don't know what to wear, so I'm just gonna wear these. Yeah, so I wanted to do my nails very natural, and this is a different shape. So this is square, and I'm actually loving it because I've done coffin, almond, and then now I'm doing square. And so far, I'm really liking square. I think I like it more than coffin. Oh, y'all can't see me. I like it more than coffin and bony. I kind of like the bony fingers look. I don't know why. It just makes me like earrings are in. Just mess with the hair. Okay, let me show you the polish. This is OPI color. If I find something there that I like, then I'm gonna use theirs. But this is OPI. My grandma gave me this one like a while back. Focus. I can't really tell, but like it's a pearly color, like it's very pearly like, and it's the shade Snow Glad I Met You. If you look up on the internet, you'll probably find it better, but yeah, I might use this. If I don't find anything there, then I'm just gonna use this one because I have no clue. So I'll catch up when I'm at the nail salon. I'm finally back home, and I feel so exhausted, and I got some Starbucks right after we left from the nail salon. I didn't get to show like what after or anything, so my ice is not too good. Peach tea, light ice is the best. So yeah, go down a little bit. But yeah, guys, we went to a new nail salon, but they were closed, so we went to a different one. So we finally went to this one, and let me tell you guys, it was so cute in there. It felt very like bougie. I was like, okay. And they were really nice for the price I paid. They did a lot for the price, so I was like really happy. But the thing is that my polish, I don't know what I was thinking. It's something for my toes. It's different. It's like a shell to me, like a seashell, you know. I'm gonna show you my toes. But this is how they came out. They're like a shelly kind of look. It's something really different, like something like I don't know. It's something like I wouldn't really pick. I don't know how to feel about it, but they did really nice on my toes. I freaking love it. Sorry if I didn't get enough clips, but like I was too relaxed, and I didn't feel like filming, and then like filming like kind of like this the whole time. So I was trying to watch some YouTube and stuff like that. I need to put some ice on this thing. But yeah, if you want another polish, it's called Snow Glad I Met You. So it's just like a pearl. That's all I could say. It's like a nice pearl color. It's different. That's all I can say. I mean, I like this. So I'll probably go back and I'll probably try gel. Yes, I done gel once on my toes, and I actually liked it. It lasted a pretty long time. But I just got a regular pedicure, you know, to try out this place, and they were really nice. You know, they asked you, do you want water? They have a menu, like all the stuff. And I was looking at the prices and like certain things, extensions for your eyes. I was like, ooh, super cute. But I think my mom and I will really go back to that place again because it was like really, really nice. I didn't film that much, so I wanted to show y'all an unboxing that I just got. I got a box from Sephora. I ordered some things. I ordered like 2 things. So I just like might as well like unbox it. Yeah, so I got some goodies. I was wanting to get the Tilbury blush cream stick. It's going trending around, I see on YouTube. Who had it? Somebody had it I was watching, and they look really nice, but they didn't have it stocked on the website in Sephora, so I couldn't get it. So 2 things I wanted, they were out. So I was like, so I said, let me just order some things I wanted right now. I got some samples. Love that. I picked some samples out because I like to try samples. What is this? What is that? The best way to shop for beauty. Earn 4% back. Yada, yada, yada. So I ordered 2 things. They look little, honestly. But, so let me show y'all the little, the samples. Hello. Okay, so I got this, retinol reform to improve the look of lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and blemishes for visible glowy skin. The sample I got, because I really don't like to get samples of foundations or the concealers because they don't give you enough. So I'm like, what's the point of getting something like a foundation, stuff like this? So I just got some like retinol glowiness, and it looked pretty cool. So I got that sample. And then I got the Kate Somerville Skin Health Expert. It's still lifting eye cream, so I'm gonna try an eye cream. Got that. So the products I got this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Kit because it's new. It's a mini version. I was gonna get the full version of the lip pencil because that's what I was meant to get, but I saw like for that thing it was like $22 or it was some price, and this was like $25, and you get a lipstick and a lip liner, so I might as well to try it out. It's mini, and if I don't like it on me, then like no, I spent only $20-something like for a mini size. So oh my god, my stomach is growling, guys. I'm starving. I only had a syrup bar, but like I wasn't craving it. Oh my god, why is it not coming out? Ooh, bro, I'm like gonna mess up this box. I don't want to mess it up. But like the lipstick is not coming out. Okay. Ah, so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so cute. So it's Pillow Talk. Oh. Why was it open? Well, what kind of messed up? So that's what it looks like. Make sure it doesn't fall out. That's the lipstick. It looks pretty dark. Oh my goodness. But yeah, I got the little lipstick, and then I got the lip liner I've been wanting. It's super cute. It's very popular, I've heard. I never had anything from Charlotte Tilbury, so I'm pretty excited. So, ooh, it looks so pretty. I'll probably use this tomorrow. So, yeah, so I got these two little products, and then last, I got the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. I seen this like on Pinterest. I was like, ah, it looks so aesthetic. So, I'm so happy I got it. It was expensive though. Oh my gosh, that's what it looks like. Oh, should we put some on right now? I'm gonna put some hand sanitizer on my hands. Oh, I just dropped the cap. Oh, it's coming out. I think all from the pressure from like the heat, because it was like right by my front door. I'm like, why didn't they hide it? Because I just hate when they don't put packages like somewhere hiding so no one will like see it or get it, and that's what I hate. They didn't do that, and they left it right by the door so anybody can go and go pick up my package. So, oh my god, look, it's already coming out. Get some. And we're gonna test this out. Oh my god, I have hair all over me. It was very humid and hot today. Oh my god. Ooh. Mmm. Ooh. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, guys. I don't even know how to talk. Okay, I like to do is a little microwave because I don't like the lip balm in my mouth, like where I could taste it. Okay. Oh my god, it looks so good on you. I'm not trying to be conceited. I just like feeling myself confidence, positivity boost. So don't seem like if I'm being little, but like, God, look at that glow, girls. I'm like talking like this. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So go purchase this Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm because it's so good. It's like $22, $20, something like that. I seen it on Pinterest like aesthetic, so I was like, ooh, I need that. So it's very glossy, very thin. It smells good and it kind of tastes yummy. So this is I'm so happy. So I'll definitely go try this out tomorrow. And I'll try my little lip kits. And then I'll probably use some of my eye cream tonight. And probably a little bit of this. Oh, I don't know when. But yeah, that was an unboxing. I freaking love it. My hair looks so good. But I did take some pictures with my nails. I need to take some pictures more with my nails. Because I want to do like for my Instagram. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. I'll have it right here, or if you don't want to, if you forgot those, go to my description. I always post stuff on my description. I always have some codes. I have my links to my social media, or like a certain product about the videos or stuff like that. So yeah, boos, if you want me to link this down below, I'll link it for sure. I'll just put the links up with the pillow talk. I'll put the links on that. Oh my god, I love this gloss. I like to have my hair like kind of like this, and it gives me volume. Like, yes, oh my god, I'm so happy. But I really wanted that other Charlotte Tilbury cream blush, and it was a highlight. It was I forgot the shade, but I really wanted it because it looks so good. I was like, oh my god, I'm obsessed. Where's my phone? Oh, it's my back pocket. I'm gonna jam out before we leave, before I go and go take pictures of my nails. Imagine playing summer when you're driving and going to the freaking beach. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? Let's be serious. Let's play a different song. That was a little fun, right, boos? I have some fun of dance. I hope you're jamming with me right now. But your girl's gonna go probably outside, sweat my booty off to go take some pictures for my nails, if I can get some. So, look at that. Look at that glow on my cheeks. Can you see it? Oh, yes. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Like, I honestly need a fanny. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed my video. This little short little mini nail vlog. Well, it wasn't really a nail vlog. I'm talking, yeah, so like, I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, I just wanted to hang out with y'all because you know. So if you haven't already, I'll link these products down below if you want to try them out with me. And you can check out, maybe you can go find these. I don't know, because it's like, last time I ordered, I picked some what are these samples, and I never got them in because I guess they ran out. I'm like, why don't you sit down line? You ran out, so I could pick something else. So I didn't get any. So I was surprised I got some this time. So yeah, I'll link all that stuff below, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me and more nail vlogs, because I'll definitely do. I haven't done my nail vlog, well, like my hands. I do more my toes because it's like kind of easier, and I never know what I want to do with my nails. Really hard. But yeah, I want to know more like nails. I have 2 other videos. I'll link them up here, or let me get it right here. And yeah, I'll link them. So if you want to watch more of me, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video so you won't forget. And don't forget to follow me on all social media, especially Instagram, because I do post a lot there. I'm more active on there, so go follow me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!